Greetings, greetings, in the name of the Most High. Yeah, you know it's Rastafari, soldier, and I just wanted to invite you in for a moment, show you my beautiful Moringa tree. This tree, ladies and gentlemen, is called Never Die. The Never Die. We know it at Maringa in Hawaii, Thai, in the United States, Jamaica, Islands. It's known as Maringa, but in Africa, sub-Sahara desert area in Africa where it's difficult for plants to grow, you would find the Never Die tree, which is Maringa. Maringa is a luscious plant that, as you see, it grows with its scrawny limbs, have some beautiful blossoms here. Unfortunately, I have my first Maringa pod coming out. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about this tree because I'm very proud. I actually planted this tree myself from seed. It's approximately a year and a half old, not too long. Within 6 months to a year, you'll have a beautiful Maringa tree. And what I want to point out to you, the blossoms are delicious, and they're packed with omega-3 acid, packed with protein, vitamins. The leaves, ladies and gentlemen, can be harvested like this and eaten as a spinach, as a salad, and it also can be dried, pounded, and used as a powder. It is one of the best plants on Mother Earth, ladies and gentlemen. And it's delicious. Delicious just right off the tree. Everything on this tree can be eaten, can be used, full of nutrition factors. I'm going to let you know some of the nutritional factors that are available. Just a moment. But I just wanted to show you my beautiful Moringa tree. It is now blossoming, and I have my first Moringa pod out. Just wanted to show you. Especially the blossoms. The blossoms are sweet. The seeds can be used as a sweetener, and they can be pressed to make oil. And you actually can use what's left over to actually do water filtration. It purifies water. The seeds, after crushing it and removing the oil. The pods can be eaten when it's green like okra. Did I mention that the leaves can be eaten like spinach, can be steamed like callaloo? And please, when you do cook the Moringa or steam the Moringa, do not throw away the water. That's the best part. Drink the water. You know what? Eat off the tree. You know what? Eat off the flowers. Because, you see, 2 bees are go and enjoy themselves. And when you have bees on a tree, then you know it's something good. Cross-pollination is necessary, yes, and we are building the environment and we're growing something nutritious, and that's what I'm trying to let you know. This Never Die tree, Moringa tree, very nutritional. It's saving a lot of lives with its nutritional factors, especially children in sub-Sahara Africa, where there's nutritional issues for mothers and children. And ladies and gentlemen, like I said, you know, Rastafari soldier, yeah, known as the Crocus Bag Farmer. This is the Moringa tree. They also call it the Never Die tree. And I just wanted to bring it to you and let you know, keep planting, keep farming, live healthy, eat great, and have a great life. I'm Rastafari soldier, aka the Crocus Bag Farmer. Remember to subscribe, you know, like and share, and leave your comment. More life and more joy and more happiness. Bless.